Have you ever wondered how long it actually takes to lose 20 pounds of fat? These estimations combine a daily 750 calorie deficit with 2 hours of exercise each day. Here's how long it would take for different activities from light to intense. With a 750 calorie daily deficit, house cleaning would take about 7.2 weeks to lose 20 pounds of fat. Regular movement and chores add up more than people realize. Casual cycling, combined with a 750 calorie daily deficit, would take about 6.8 weeks to lose 20 pounds of fat. Steady, moderate activity adds consistent calorie burn. You see, dancing with a 750 calorie daily deficit would take about 6.4 weeks to lose 20 pounds of fat. Combined with diet, it's an effective way to shed fat. On this channel, I give you all the essential fitness information to lose weight, build muscle, and stay healthy, without wasting 20 minutes on fluff. Lifting weights not only burns calories, but also builds and preserves muscle. It's one of the most effective ways to transform your body while losing fat. Playing a soccer game with a 750 calorie daily deficit would take about 5 weeks to lose 20 pounds of fat. Team sports make fat loss fun and engaging. Rock climbing isn't really comfortable for most, but those who can do it can lose 20 pounds in about 4.8 weeks with a 750 calorie daily deficit. Lap swimming with a 750 calorie daily deficit would take about 4.5 weeks to lose 20 pounds of fat. Continuous strokes engage your whole body and boost calorie burn. In conclusion, activities like weightlifting or jump rope are comfortable for most people, and combined with a calorie deficit, you can lose a significant amount of fat in just a few weeks. The problem is not taking action. Start today and don't wait. Thanks for watching.